Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to earn USDT directly to your wallet, Trust Wallet or any other wallet in which you make use of to receive payment. So guys, please and please, to know more about this platform, make sure to follow this video directly to the end so you'll be getting more information on how this works. Please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop videos. So the link will be in the description box below. When you tap it, all you need to do is to input your email, your password, confirm your password, your transaction password for withdrawal, and the invitation code will be showing there automatically. Then you tap on register, and after that is done, all you need to do next is to log in. Now to log in, all you need to do is to input your email address and your password, in which I'm going to be doing right away because I've created an account already. So I'll be showing you how you can do yours. All you need to do is input your email and your password, in which will be used to register. Then you tap on login now. So mine is already saved, so I'll be logging in it directly. So guys, when you tap on login, you're going to be logged in directly into this site. So as you can see over here, sorry that it's not in English language, but I'll be explaining it to you. As you can see over here, from this part over here, it says the minimum deposit is 10 USDT. So guys, you're going to be depositing 10 USDT as minimum on this platform to earn. So guys, this site is a legitimate site which is newly launched. I'm not a financial advisor, but always make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. So on the VIP one, when you deposit 10 USDT, you're going to be getting 2.8. When you deposit 68 USDT, you'll be getting 19.4. Deposit 3 on VIP 3, deposit 388 USDT, you'll be getting 110.8 USDT every single day, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is all for this. And when your recharge reach 1000 USD, you'll be getting 100 USDT for free. So guys, knowing this already, all you need to do next, I'll be showing you how to recharge. All you need to do is to tap on the recharge, which is over here, as you can see on my screen. All you need to do now is to copy the USDT address, then deposit the amount of USDT which you would like to invest from 10 USDT upwards. And after that is done, you tap on submit so that it's going to be reflecting on your balance. And as you can see over here, this is where your balance is going to be reflecting when you recharge and when also you do your tax. So guys, to do your tax, when you tap on the tax, it's going to be bringing you over to where you're going to be doing your tax every single day. Now as you can see over here, this is my balance over here, and when you deposit, your balance is going to be increased. So guys, having said that, all you need to do now is to do your tax. When you tap on the tax, it's going to be bringing you over to this place. So the network is slow. You're going to be seeing where you're going to be doing your tax over here, which I will be showing you. So as you can see over here, all you need to do now is to tap on submit, which is over here. As you can see, you'll be getting 2.8 USDT when you deposit 10 USDT. You're getting 2.80 USDT every single day. Now when you do this, all you need to do is tap on submit, and your tax is going to be completed successfully. So guys, as you can see over here, mine is already completed, as you can see. Now after that is done, you go to mine, and as you can see over here, mine has also reflected in my balance additional 2.8 USDT. So guys, I'll be showing you how to place your withdrawal on this platform. It's very simple. Tap on the withdrawal, which is down here. Now when you tap on the withdrawal, it's going to be bringing you over to this side, and as you can see, all you need to do now is to submit your withdrawal details and add the withdrawal method. So as you can see over here, tap on add withdrawal method. So you're not adding your bank card, but you'll be adding withdrawal method. As you can see over here, you tap on add withdrawal method, and we'll bring you over here. As you can see, USDT TRC20. All you need to do is to input your USDT TRC20 address and your password, your transaction password in which you use when registering. So I'll be doing that right away. As you can see over here, you tap on USDT to select USDT, then you copy your address and paste it over there in the platform. So guys, as you can see over here, copy address, and my address has been copied successfully. Now all you need to do is to go back and impute it over here, paste it there, and impute your transaction password. So guys, I'll be doing mine immediately. So after that is done, you tap on submit, and the password is going, your address will be added immediately. So guys, to withdraw, it's going to be showing you the amount of USDT that is withdrawable for you, which is 2.80 USDT. Now you tap on withdraw, then impute the amount in which you want to withdraw. As you can see over here, impute the amount in which you want to withdraw, which is 2.80 USDT, and then you impute your payment password, which is your transaction password. Then you select withdrawal method, as you can see over here. Now when you tap on select withdrawal method, that's which you've added already, you are going to be imputing it. Then you tap on submit, and it's going to be withdrawing directly to your wallet. So guys, mine has been withdrawn. So we're going to be checking if this has arrived in our wallet. As you can see, it has left my balance, so I'll be checking in my wallet to see if it has arrived. So let's wait for some time. As you can see over here, it's still pending, and I'll be showing you now as it will be entering, as the pending will be successful. So guys, as you can see over here, my withdrawal has been successfully deposited into my wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn. Please and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Thanks for watching guys. So guys, to get your referral code,